Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy, and today I want to show you how you can easily take care of the herbs in your garden. So as you can see here, these are the herbs that I'm growing, and I will show you closely. You can see that in many places the leaves are being eaten by worms, and as you can see, they are doing it for all types of herbs. So the technique in order to take care of the thing is very simple. All you have to do is just scrub the plant from above, from side to side, and then look on the ground for worms. So I will show you how I do it. That's it. Now after I did it, let's have a look here. As you can see, we have here two worms. Take a look. This one is very small on the tip of my finger. So I will put it here. Just a second. I don't want to do any harm to the worms. And as you can see over here, take a look, that there is a much bigger worm that fell on the ground, and there is even another one. So as you can see, only swiping the flower 1-2 times and you can already see worms on the ground. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reallocate these worms to another plant because I don't want to kill them. So I'm just going to put them somewhere else. As you can see, they are looking for leaves to eat. Let's move to this one. And as you can see in here, two worms. Not sure if you can see them on my hand. There are two worms there. Now probably I'm going to do it a few more times before really getting rid of all the worms. But that's it. That's the way to do it. You just shake the flower, shake the leaves from side to side, then look on the ground for the worms. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye. Several weeks passed. Let's have a look at my spices garden. Take a look how nice it looks. Take a look. This one. This one. No marks of caterpillars eating the leaves. Everything looks really great.